welcome to Tasty Time. It's still your girl Michelle. This is the pasta edition of Tasty Time. In this edition, we're going to be doing so many things with pasta. I personally love this one because I love pasta and you can do so many things with pasta. But for today, we are going to be doing the stir-fried spaghetti. Do not go anywhere. I'll be right back with the introduction of my already prepped ingredients. Here's my corn flour, some scotch bonnet pepper, carrots, salt to taste, chili pepper, curry powder, diced onion, some spring onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, ginger, some seasoning cubes, thyme, my green bell pepper, egg, vegetable oil, ground white pepper, my minced garlic, sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and of course the star of today, my shredded beef. Okay, so let's get started with this food. Okay, my water has been boiling, has been on fire, so I'm just going to do the needful. Firstly, I'm going to throw in some salt. I want to boil my spaghetti, so I'm going to throw in some salt, just enough to boil my spag. And then I'm going to throw some vegetable oil. One thing I love about golden penny spaghetti, like it's the only spaghetti that you really do not have to bother about it sticking together. Anyhow you cook it, it shall come out nice. So I'm going to parboil my spaghetti. Just going to throw it in. I'm going to cover this up and leave it till it's cooked. So that's it for the spag. Let's fry the vegetables. Just going to add little vegetable oil. Allow this to heat up for a bit. Now I'm going to add my shrimps and just fry this very well. This is not that I've already marinated the shrimps. I added some pepper, some salt, and some chili pepper. So I'm just going to keep stirring this till it's cooked. One thing I love about stir-fried foods, they are really easy to prepare. Okay, so this has been on fire for 5 minutes. I'm just going to, and it's ready now, so I'm going to put it back in plate. That's it for the shrimps. Now I'm going to throw in some more vegetable oil in this, just enough to fry my ingredient. My vegetable oil is hot already, so first things first, normal tradition. Throw in your onion. I'm putting all of it. And I'm also going to throw in my ginger and my garlic. There's no stir fry without your garlic. So now I'm going to add my scotch bonnet pepper. You know I love spicy food, so I'm adding all of it. Going to give this another stir. At this point, I'm going to add my carrots. Like I said, I love adding my carrots first because it's harder than the other vegetables. Now I'm going to throw in my shrimps. I'm going to add it back. And give this another stir. bell pepper. Going to stir this. Stir. So I'm going to throw in my red bell pepper, my yellow bell pepper, some spring onion. I need some of this for the future, so very big stir. Looking so beautiful. I'm going to throw in my curry powder, some thyme, some more chili pepper, of course salt, some white pepper, and of course my NO.1 seasoning cubes. I'm going to add some sesame oil. It gives it this special flavor. Some soy sauce, lots of soy sauce. And of course, the oyster sauce. I need to add a lot. Not really a lot, yeah, just enough. After boiling my spaghetti, I reserved some pasta water. I'm just going to add this in. Give it another tiny stir. Oh my god, it's already looking so saucy. At this point, please taste and make sure all your ingredients are okay, perfect. This is great. Finally, I'm going to throw in my spaghetti. I'm just going to give this one final stir. So this is basically it, guys. Your food is ready. I love saying that. It's ready, guys. Okay, so I'm sure this is the point where you were expecting to say, okay, so I have here with me, there's nobody here. I'm eating my food by myself, please. I'm just going to take a little, just very tiny. I'm so happy I'm eating it by myself. I can't talk. But this food is really nice, like it's so tasty. Guys, this food is so amazing, and this is one recipe you should try.
Friends and foes, if you have been watching iBrandTV, my name still remains my name, Bruno Obinna Iwa. Don't drop the dial. Keep watching iBrandTV.
We've come to the end of another episode of Tasty Time. Do not forget to like, share, and please subscribe. And also do not forget to follow the social media handles currently showing on your screen. See you next week. Bye-bye.